I searched the corners of my heart, hoping he left something behind. But every room is hollow now, echoes fading into quiet lies. I kept the light on just in case you'd remember the way back home. But the night keeps telling me I've been waiting here alone.